Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk about how to do your final project. So what you're going to do is if you go into Google Classroom, okay, click on classwork, and down here there's a whole folder that's called final project. Okay, so if you click on the project, you can see here the dates that things are due. So this week you're going to be choosing a topic and doing the first 4 slides. Next week, you'll do the slides 5 and 6, and the third week you'll do slides 7 through 9 and finish the project. So what the project is you're going to choose an endangered species. So any animal that you like that's endangered. And endangered means that there's not very many left. So we need to protect them. So you're going to choose an animal that you like, and you're going to make a Google Slides presentation. This is what should be on each of your slides. First slide, your name. Second slide, introduction. Tell me a little bit about your animal. Couple slides about ecology, body systems, and then talk about why your animal is endangered. I put some websites here that have a lot of very good information. And then if you go back to Google Classroom, I also made everybody a template. So what this is where you're doing your project. Okay, so your first 4 slides is due this week. So I have the slides here. Everything that you need to put is already on the slide. So you're putting your endangered animal's name. Just write the name, and then your name and a picture of your organism. Easy. Slide number 2. Where is your animal found? Describe the habitat. Describe the climate. Remember, climate is like weather. So is it hot? Is it rainy? Is it snowy? Are there mountains? Is it ocean? Tell me about the habitat and the climate. Then find a map of where your organism lives. You can just Google tiger population map and you'll find a map. How many are left in the wild? And what's your animal's conservation status? That means, is it endangered or critically endangered? And what does that mean? Then you're going to make a food web about your organism. Remember when we did this in the fall, you made food webs. So tell me, what does your animal eat? What predators eat your animal? And then if you look up here, you can make your own little food web. So you can just write, let's say your animal is a panda. Okay, so you can put a picture of a panda here. I know that pandas eat bamboo, which is a plant. Bamboo. And if the panda eats the bamboo, remember you draw the arrow from the bamboo to the panda. Okay, and that shows, oops, that's not an arrow. You click arrow. There we go. Okay, so that's showing that the panda eats the bamboo. Now, I want you to research if there's anything that eats the panda. So does the panda have any predators? You would put an arrow going from the panda and then another shape up here to whatever the predator is. You can also see if there's other animals that eat bamboo that live in that same habitat. Okay, so make a whole food web. Then you're going to write me 2 sentences of what would happen if the panda went extinct. So if there's no more panda, decrease in panda, what would happen to the bamboo? It would increase, right? Because nothing's eating it. What would happen to the predator? The predator would decrease because they don't have any food. Okay? That's something that we did in the beginning of the year. And then your last one, you're going to research community interactions. Kevin's favorite. Remember, mutualism, commensalism, and parasitism. Find one interaction that your animal is a part of. So is there another organism that has a beneficial relationship, right? They both are helped. That's mutualism. Commensalism, one animal is helped and one is not affected. And then parasitism is when one animal is helped, one is harmed. Okay, and I can help you with that when the time comes, and then provide a picture of that. Okay, so that is what you're doing for your project this week. Choose a topic and complete slides 1 through 4. The way you can choose a topic is I want you to go into here, click on the Google form. You can use any of these websites to look for animals that you would like to do your project on. Write the animal's name. Write your name, your number 1 endangered animal, right? Because I don't want you to pick the same one as someone else. So I want you to pick what's your favorite, number 1, and then number 2, just in case somebody has already taken this one, give me a second one that I could use for backup. Okay, and I also put, if you look in here, this Google Sheets presentation, you just have to click on period C, and you can see all of your names and who picked what animal. Okay, so once you fill out that form and you pick an animal, I'll put it here, so that way nobody else can pick that animal, it's yours. Okay? I think that's all. Always remember that I have office hours on every Thursday. I would put the link here. So if you need extra help on Thursdays from 12:30 to 1:30 every week, I will be in Zoom. You just click on this link and I can help you one-on-one. So I can open up your project on my computer and I can help you as you're doing it. Okay, so that's a good time to come and get some extra help from me since I can't help you in the classroom. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and email me if you have any questions. Good luck.